Hi! In front of me is Realme 11 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions. First of all, go into Settings and scroll all the way down to access Privacy section. Then tap on Permission Manager under Permissions and click on one of your device's features that you wish to manage. In my case, location. Now tap on one of your apps, like Chrome, and apply one of those options. Allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I will go with don't allow, so when I click, I need to go back to see that Chrome no longer has access to my device's location. But you can always pick any feature and look for an app that you wish to manage, like maybe Chrome again. Then, instead of picking one of those options, scroll all the way down and click on See All Chrome Permissions. Then manage all of them only for chosen app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!